If you create presentations, study frequently, or just want to get work done faster using AI, this video is going to be really useful for you. Today, I'll be walking you through this all-in-one AI workspace and showing you how some of its core tools work, including slide generation, image creation, and the AI Tutor, and how you can use them to save a significant amount of time. Let's start. First, search up Oreate.ai on your browser, link in the description. Before we start, let's log in. Once you're logged in, this is the main dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is the main AI prompt box in the center of the screen. This is where you can ask the AI anything or assign it a specific task, whether that's writing, researching, planning, or generating content for you. Below the main prompt box, you'll see a set of presets that give you quick access to different tools, such as Slides Agent, AI Tutor, image generation, and more. Let's start with the first tool, Slides Agent. First up is the Slides Agent. This tool allows you to write exactly what you want your presentation to be about. You can also attach a file if you already have content that you want the presentation to be based on. If you prefer not to start from scratch, you can scroll down and choose from pre-made AI slide templates and customize them. For this example, though, I'm going to write my own topic. Once I enter my topic, I click Generate. Next, it asks how many slides I want. I usually stick with 5 to 10 slides. After that, it asks what type of slides will be most effective for this presentation. You're given multiple options, such as education, business, and more. For this example, I'll choose education. Then it moves to an analysis step, where you can review all the slide topics that were generated. From here, you can edit the titles, modify the content within each slide, delete slides, or add new ones. Once everything looks good, you simply click Generate Slides, and the platform automatically creates the full presentation. The slides come out clean, well-structured, and professional, and you still have full control to edit everything in detail, whether that's the text, layout, or overall design. Next, let's move on to the image generation tool. This is where you can turn your ideas into visuals. You simply describe what you want, then hit Generate, and let Nano Banana do the rest. In just a few moments, it generates a high-resolution, realistic image that you can use wherever you like. Now let's take a look at AI Tutor, which is especially useful for studying and learning. AI Tutor allows you to turn almost any topic into mind maps, infographics, quizzes, or flashcards. Now let's test it. I'm going to choose mind map and paste in my topic. The dangers of working as an electrician. Then, I'll hit Generate. And within a few moments, the AI generates a mind map. As you can see, the AI breaks the topic into 5 main categories: electrical hazards, physical risks, environmental factors, workplace conditions, and safety protocols. Under each section, it expands into specific risks, like electric shock, arc flash, falls from heights, toxic materials, live circuits, and even lockout or tagout procedures. Instead of reading paragraphs, you instantly see the full structure of the topic and how everything connects. This makes it way easier to understand the big picture in seconds. Next is Infographics. Just paste in your topic, select Infographics, and hit Generate. And within a few moments, the AI creates a clean, organized visual infographic breaking down the key points automatically. This feature helps visualize abstract or complex concepts, formulas, and principles, making them easier to understand and remember. Instead of just reading about safety risks, the AI can organize the information into a clear, structured visual format that highlights key points, statistics, and cause and effect relationships. It's great for presentations, study guides, or even explaining technical topics in a simplified way. Now, let's look at the quiz feature. Just paste in your topic and hit Generate. This automatically generates targeted exercises and practice questions based on your topic. It precisely extracts key exam points and core knowledge, which makes it ideal for last-minute exam preparation or self-assessment. You can test yourself instantly and see whether you actually understand the material, not just read it. This turns passive learning into active learning. Now let's try out the final feature, flashcards. I'm going to paste in my topic. From here, I'll select Flashcards, then click Generate. In seconds, it creates flashcards that break the topic down into clear, easy-to-understand points, making it ideal for studying or quick review. Overall, this platform makes it easy to go from an idea to finished work without needing to switch between multiple tools. Whether you're creating presentations, generating images, or studying with AI Tutor, Everything is centralized and designed to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.